Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. The Ministry of Sports today revealed a leadership change to one of its main agencies, the Institute of Sports. As Keon Rayner reports, there were also two-year board appointments for the Sports Development Foundation and Independence Park Limited.
Newton Amos is the new chairman of the Institute of Sports, INSPORTS. The makeup of the board has also been reduced by 1 down to 13, with immediate past president Lloyd Bunny Pommels being taken off. The change to the leadership of the INSPORTS board was disclosed by Sports Minister Olivia Grange.
Institute of Sports, there have been some changes there. The substantive chairman is now Mr. Newton Amos. He was deputy chair in the previous board with Mr. Pommels as the chair. So Mr. Amos has been acting chair for a while in the absence of Mr. Pommel. He's now the chair. Newton Amos is now the chair. And there have been some slight changes on that board.
Assistant Commissioner of Police Ronald Anderson has been promoted to the deputy chairman of the INSPORTS board. Also on the board are Emil Spence, Vishu Tolan, Florette Blackwood, Dr. Michelle Holt, Marvelyn Campbell, Dr. Lee Martin, Daphne Hirsch, and Gladstone Wright. Attorney George Souter remains the chairman of the SDF board, and he'll be supported by Bunny Pommels as his deputy. However, Minister Grange explained that there has been a change in the way the SDF board is appointed, with the responsibility now being solely with the minister.
In this case, what I've done, I have reappointed most of the members. In the case of the JOA, where they had 3 representatives on the board, I've reappointed one of those representatives, and I have also kept the appointment from the JCA, Dr. Bennett. I've also reappointed him.
In the meantime, Mike Fennell and David Shirley remain chairman and deputy chairman of the Independence Park Limited Board, IPL. The other members of the IPL board are Anne-Marie Herron, Major Desmond Brown, Assistant Commissioner of Police Terence Bent, Lieutenant Colonel Roderick Rowe, Lenford Salmon, Carlton Dennis, Edward Barnes, Dr. Peter Charles, and Audrey Chin. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.